Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will explain how to open WSL2 terminal and folder directly in VS Code on Windows 11. If you are a developer or DevOps engineer working on Windows 11, using WSL2 along with the Visual Studio Code can massively boost your productivity. I am assuming you already have installed WSL2 and Visual Studio Code in your Windows 11 system. Alright, let's jump into the actual steps. The first step is to launch your WSL. In my case, I am running Ubuntu 24.04 Linux distribution using WSL. In my previous video, I have already explained how to run Ubuntu 24.04 using WSL on Windows 11. From the start menu, search Ubuntu. Click on open. This will start your Linux distribution. In my case, it is Ubuntu 24.04. Navigate to the folder that you want to open in the VS Code. So this is the complete path of the folder that I would like to open in the VS Code. Actually, this project code is the repo that I have cloned it from my GitHub account. Next step is to start your Visual Studio Code. From the start menu, type VS Code and click on open. In order to open the WSL terminal and folder in VS Code, first we need to install WSL extension. So go to the extension tab here and search WSL. So install this extension, which is officially provided by Microsoft itself. Click on install. Once it is installed successfully, you can close this and go back to the Explorer. Use the shortcut key Shift Control P and type here WSL. Choose the first option, connect to WSL. Click on the open folder. Select the folder that you would like to open. In my case, it's project_code, and then click OK. In order to open the terminal, select any of the file and right click and choose this option, open in integrated terminal. It will start your WSL terminal here. So this is the terminal which is from my WSL or Ubuntu 24.04 Linux distribution. Let's modify the project code from the VS Code and then commit and push changes using the terminal. Let's assume I want to update the PHP version here from 8.2 to 8.3. Control S to save the changes. Now move to the terminal, type here git status. I can see install.yaml file is modified. Let's add those changes using git add, commit the changes using next push the changes. For that, run the command git push origin master. Hit enter. Alright. Changes has been pushed successfully. Let's verify it from the GitHub account. Alright, the changes is also visible on my GitHub account under this repo. That's all from this video tutorial. I hope you have found it useful and informative. Please do like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this. Feel free to post your queries and feedback in below comment section. Bye, see you in the next video.